Imagine holding the universe that built your entire life story, about 3 pounds of soft electricity, that's your brain. And this series is our fast map of all its parts. In 120 seconds, I'll give you the grand tour, what's where, and why it matters, so the rest of the series clicks. First, the big geography. Up top is the cerebral cortex, the wrinkled outer sheet, perception planning language memory. It's split into 2 hemispheres, stitched together by the corpus callosum, a thick cable of nerve fibers. Each hemisphere has 4 lobes. Frontal, decisions, attention movement plans, personality. Parietal, touch spatial maps, mathy transformations. Temporal, sound language, comprehension memory, indexing. Occipital, vision, turning photons into pictures. Under the cortex sits the limbic system, your emotional and memory core. The hippocampus organizes memories and space. The amygdala tags meaning and threat. The hypothalamus keeps you alive. Temperature hunger hormones, talking to the pituitary to command the body. Deeper still, the basal ganglia help start movement, smooth movement, and teach habits via reward signals. The thalamus is the grand relay, routing sensory data to the right cortical neighborhoods. At the back, the cerebellum, tiny brain, huge impact. Balance, coordination, timing, error correction for both movement and thought patterns. And the brainstem, midbrain pons medulla, is mission control for breathing, heart rate, sleep-wake cycles, and reflexes. It's also the highway where signals travel to and from the body, cushioning it all. Ventricles filled with cerebrospinal fluid, and protective layers called meninges. Recap: cortex for thinking, lobes for specialties, limbic for emotion and memory, basal ganglia for habits, thalamus for routing, cerebellum for precision, brainstem for life support, wrapped in fluid and armor. Next episode, I zoom into the cortex, why it's wrinkly, how neurons talk, and where your sense of self might live. See you there.